Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of the Daily English Podcast. Today, we're talking about something that touches everyone, making new friends.
Yes, friends make life brighter, but starting a friendship in English can sometimes feel a little difficult.
Maybe you meet someone at school, at work, or even in a cafe, but you don't know what to say first.
Don't worry, today we'll practice together. Step by step, we'll show you how to introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and keep the conversation going.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to start. You only need a little courage, a smile, and some easy phrases.
So take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started.
Imagine this. You're in class, and a new student sits beside you. You want to be friendly. What could you say?
You don't need a big sentence, just something simple like, "Hi, is this seat taken?"
Or, hi, my name is... What's your name?
Let's try it in a short role play.
Hi, is the seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit.
Thanks. What's your name?
I'm... Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first day here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from here, born and raised.
That's nice. Do you like this school so far?
Yes, it's a good place. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too.
See? Nothing complicated. Just say hello, ask a small question, and show interest.
Exactly. And if you feel shy, remember, even short sentences like, hi, my name is, or where are you from, can open the door to a new friendship.
Now, let's move to a different place, a cafe. You see someone sitting alone, maybe reading a book. You want to start a small conversation. What could you say?
Keep it light and natural. For example, hi, do you come here often? Or, the coffee smells really good today, doesn't it?
Yes, small talk is simple, but it works. Let's do another role play.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, please, go ahead.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually study here in the evenings. The coffee keeps me awake.
That's nice. What do you usually order?
A cappuccino, and sometimes a slice of cake.
Sounds delicious. I just ordered a latte.
Good choice. By the way, my name is... Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That felt easy, right? Just a small comment, then introductions.
And don't forget, your smile is part of the conversation. Even if your English isn't perfect, a smile makes everything warmer.
In some countries, like the US or Canada, people often start conversations in cafes quickly.
But in other countries, like Japan, people may be more quiet at first. They might smile, but they usually wait before talking.
In places like Brazil or Mexico, people are often very warm. After just a few words, they might invite you to join their table.
So don't feel bad if it takes longer in some places. Every culture has its own way of starting friendships.
We've practiced saying hello and introducing ourselves. Now let's go a little further. What happens after the first hello?
You need to keep the conversation alive. A good way is to ask about hobbies or free time. Let's role play.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is...
Nice to meet you too. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go hiking. How about you?
I like watching movies with friends.
Oh, really? What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies. They make me laugh.
Same here. Do you have a favorite one?
Yes, but it's hard to choose just one.
See how the conversation grows? One small question leads to another.
Exactly. And the words don't need to be perfect. The most important thing is interest.
Let's stop for a second and look at some words. First word is hiking. Hiking means walking in nature, usually on mountains or trails.
Example, I go hiking every weekend in the countryside.
Next word is comedy. A comedy is a funny movie or show that makes you laugh.
Example, we watched a comedy last night and it was so funny.
And one more word, favorite. Favorite means the thing you like the most.
Example, pizza is my favorite food.
These are everyday words. Try saying them with us. Hiking, comedy, favorite. Now, let's imagine another situation. You meet someone new at work and you want to invite them to do something together.
Let's roleplay.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm from the design team.
Nice to meet you. I just joined the company last week.
Welcome. Do you have plans for lunch today?
Not really.
Would you like to join me and a few colleagues in the cafeteria?
Sure, thank you. That sounds great.
See? Just one simple invitation and the friendship begins. Let's check some useful words here. First word is colleague. A colleague is someone you work with.
Example, my colleague helped me finish the project.
Next phrase is join me. This means to come with me or be part of my group.
Example, would you like to join me for coffee? And another phrase, sounds great. We use this to accept an invitation in a friendly way.
Example, let's meet at 6.
Sounds great.
Now let's try one more role play, this time in the park.
Hi there. Do you usually run here in the morning?
Yes, almost every day. I like the fresh air.
That's nice. I just started running here last week.
Welcome to the Park Runners Club then.
Thanks. By the way, would you like to jog together sometime?
Sure, why not?
Simple questions, little invitations. That's how friendships begin.
The word fresh air means clean air outside, not inside a building.
Example, I opened the window for some fresh air.
Another word, jog. Jog means to run slowly for exercise.
Example, she jogs every morning before school.
And one more phrase, why not? We use this to agree in a relaxed way.
Example, do you want to join us?
Why not?
Remember, these small moments matter. One hello, one question, one smile. That's all it takes to start a new friendship.
And every time you practice, these phrases will become more natural.
Sometimes when people meet someone new, they feel shy. The answers are very short.
Yes. Let's hear how that sounds first, a shy version.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Japan?
Oh, that's nice. Do you like it here?
Yes.
Did you notice? The answers are too short. The conversation stops quickly.
Exactly. It feels closed. The other person doesn't know what to say next.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I moved here 2 months ago.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it a lot. The people are friendly and the food is delicious.
Did you hear the difference? The answers were longer, with extra information.
Yes, when you give a little more detail, the conversation becomes easier and more interesting.
The word shy means a little nervous or afraid to talk.
Example, he is shy when he meets new people.
The word confident means sure of yourself, not afraid to speak.
Example, she feels confident when she speaks English.
Another phrase, extra information. That means adding more details to your answer.
Example, I like football. I play every weekend. That's extra information.
So here's the trick. When someone asks you a question, don't stop with one word. Add one more sentence.
For example, question, what do you do on weekends? Answer 1, shy. Study. Answer 2, confident. I study a little, and I also watch movies with friends.
The second answer gives space for more conversation.
Exactly. It's like opening a door wider, so the other person feels welcome.
In some cultures, being shy is normal. For example, in Japan or Korea, people often wait before sharing more.
In other cultures, like the US or Brazil, people speak more openly from the beginning.
But wherever you are, giving a little more information helps friendships grow faster.
And remember, confidence is not about perfect grammar. It's about showing interest and being friendly.
So when you meet someone new, which style will you choose? Shy or confident?
Practice being confident. Just add one more detail. That's the secret.
Friendship is not the same everywhere. Different countries have different ways of starting and growing friendships.
Yes. Let's look at a few examples. First, the United States.
In the US, people are usually very open. They often start conversations quickly.
Let's roleplay.
Hi, I'm from the marketing class. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you want to join us for lunch later?
Sure, that sounds great. Thank you.
Did you see how fast that happened? An invitation after just a few minutes.
Yes, in the US, it's normal to make friends quickly, even on the first day.
Now let's look at Japan. People there are often more polite and careful.
Role play again.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you too.
Do you like this class so far?
Yes, it's interesting.
I think so too. Maybe we can study together sometime?
I'd like that.
Notice the difference? The style is softer, with more pauses.
Yes, friendship in Japan grows step by step. Now, let's travel to Brazil. In Latin America, people are often very warm.
Roleplay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you. Do you want to join us for lunch?
Sure, thank you.
Welcome, my friend.
In Brazil or Mexico, people may invite you to join the group right away.
Yes, smiles, hugs, and even sharing food are common.
Now let's see Germany.
In Germany, people may seem more reserved at first.
Roleplay. Hi, I'm new here.
Hello, welcome.
Thanks. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I do. It's a nice area.
That's good. Maybe we can meet again next week.
Yes, let's do that.
The friendship starts slowly, but once you're friends, it usually lasts a long time.
Let's check some words we just used.
First word, reserved. Reserved means quiet and careful, not very open at the beginning.
Example, he is reserved when he meets new people.
Next word, warm. Warm means kind, friendly, and full of emotion.
Example, she gave me a warm welcome.
Another phrase, step by step. This means slowly, little by little.
Example, he is learning English step by step.
And one more word, invitation. An invitation is when someone asks you to join an activity.
Example, I got an invitation to dinner.
So, what did we learn?
In some cultures, friendship grows fast. In others, it grows slowly.
But everywhere, kindness, respect, and patience open doors.
Yes, no matter where you are, a smile and a simple hello are always welcome.
We've used many useful words and phrases today. Let's stop for a moment and review them together.
Yes, when you understand words in context, you remember them better.
First word, reserved. Reserved means quiet or careful when meeting new people.
Example, he is reserved when he meets new people.
Next word, polite. Polite means showing good manners, being respectful.
Example, she is always polite to her teachers.
Another word, warm. Warm means kind and friendly.
Example, they gave me a warm welcome at the party.
Next phrase, break the ice. This means to say or do something that makes people feel comfortable when they first meet.
Example, He told a funny joke to break the ice.
Another useful phrase, in common. This means something you share with another person.
Example, we both love music. That's something we have in common.
And finally, invitation. An invitation is when someone asks you to join an activity.
Example, I got an invitation to dinner. See, these words are simple, but very powerful when you make friends.
And the more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Now it's your turn, my friend. We want you to practice with us.
Yes, we'll give you small challenges, listen carefully, then repeat out loud.
Say your name. For example, hi, my name is...
Emma. Good. Now your turn. Say, hi, my name is...
Now practice responding. Say, nice to meet you. Once more, nice to meet you.
Say, do you come here often? Try again. Do you come here often? Say, your dog is so cute. What's its name?
Repeat after me. What's its name?
Say, I don't think we've met before. I'm...
Now try, I don't think we've met before. I'm...
Well done. Every time you practice, these lines will feel more natural.
And remember, even if you feel shy, just try. Every hello makes your English stronger.
And every conversation makes your confidence grow. Think about this week. Is there someone new you can say hello to?
Maybe a classmate, a colleague, or someone in a cafe.
Just one hello can open the door to a new friendship. Now, let's listen again to one of our earlier dialogues. This time, don't repeat, just listen. Let the words flow into your ears.
After you listen, you can play it again and try repeating with us.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, please, go ahead.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually study here in the evenings. The coffee keeps me awake.
That's nice. What do you usually order?
Cappuccino, and sometimes a slice of cake.
Sounds delicious. I just ordered a latte.
Good choice. By the way, my name is...
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you catch it this time? Simple, clear, and friendly.
Play it again, practice, and make the words part of your own voice.
The more you listen, the more natural English will feel.
And the more you try, the more confident you become.
Today, we practiced how to make new friends in English, from school to cafes to the park and even at work.
We also learned some useful words like reserved, polite, warm, invitation, and break the ice.
Remember, friendship doesn't need perfect English. It only needs courage, kindness, and a smile.
Every time you say hello, every time you ask a small question, you're building your confidence.
And you're also opening the door to a new friendship.
So don't wait. Try it this week. Say hello to someone new.
You'll be surprised how many people are waiting for a friendly word.
Thank you for joining us today.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode, and practice with your friends.
Because learning is always better when we do it together.
See you next time, my friend.